Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Conversations. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Lucy. It's so nice to see you, or, well, hear you again.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Today, we have a really fun topic. We're going to talk about movies.
Everyone loves movies, right? Movies make us laugh, they make us cry, they make us feel something.
Exactly. And talking about movies is a great way to practice English. You can use simple sentences like, my favorite movie is The Lion King, or I like funny movies.
So today, you'll hear us have a real conversation in simple, clear English. We'll explain new words, practice sentences, and ask you questions so you can speak with us too.
Yes, and remember, this podcast is for beginners, level A1 to A2. So don't worry if you don't understand every word. We'll go slowly, explain clearly, and repeat important phrases.
Before we start, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast or YouTube channel. That helps more learners find us and join our community.
All right. Are you ready to talk about movies, Lucy?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, Lucy, let's start simple. What's your favorite movie?
That's a good question. My favorite movie is Finding Nemo.
Oh, I love that movie. It's about a little fish who gets lost, right?
Yes, Nemo is a small orange fish, and he gets lost in the big ocean. His dad travels across the sea to find him. It's full of adventure and family love.
That's such a beautiful story. And I like how colorful it is. The animation is amazing.
Exactly. The water, the coral, the fish, everything looks so real. And I think it's also funny. There are many silly characters, like Dory.
Yes, Dory is the blue fish who forgets everything, right?
Right. She always says, just keep swimming. I love that line.
That's a great phrase. Just keep swimming means don't give up.
Yes, that's a good lesson for life and for learning English, too. When you study English, remember, just keep practicing.
Exactly. Okay, now, my favorite movie is The Lion King.
Oh, that's a classic. I think everyone knows The Lion King.
Yes, I watched it many times when I was a child. It's about a young lion named Simba. He learns how to be brave and become the king.
That's a wonderful story. It's about family, courage, and growing up.
Yes, it also has beautiful music. The song Circle of Life is one of my favorites.
I agree. The music makes the movie even more special.
All right. Now that we've talked a bit about our favorite movies, let's stop for a moment and learn some new words and phrases from this conversation.
Okay, let's learn together. The first word is favorite. Say it slowly with me. Favorite.
Good. Favorite means the thing you like the most. For example, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My favorite movie is Finding Nemo.
Good job. Now you try. Say it out loud. My favorite movie is... Pause.
Great. Let's say it again slowly. My favorite movie is... Pause. Nice work.
Next, we have the word adventure. An adventure is something exciting that happens, like a journal or experience.
For example, in Finding Nemo, Nemo's dad goes on a big adventure across the ocean. In The Lion King, Simba has an adventure to find who he really is.
Let's say it together. Adventure. Good.
You can use it in a sentence, I want to go on an adventure. Or, my favorite movie is full of adventure.
Perfect. Now, the next phrase is, it's about. We use this when we explain what something means or the main idea.
Right. For example, it's about family. It's about friendship. It's about love. It's about courage.
Let's practice. Lucy says, what's your favorite movie? And you say, it's about. Pause.
Yeah, nice. Next, we have I like it because. We use this to give a reason.
For example, I like it because it's funny. I like it because the music is good. I like it because the story is beautiful.
Lucy, why do you like Finding Nemo?
I like it because it's funny and full of adventure.
And I like The Lion King because it has great music.
Good examples. Okay, listeners, let's repeat one more time. My favorite movie is good. Now you try. Say, I like it because feel happy. It makes me feel relaxed. It makes me feel excited.
Lucy, how does Finding Nemo make you feel?
It makes me feel happy and warm inside.
That's sweet. The Lion King makes me feel brave and inspired.
Great examples. Okay, listeners, let's repeat one more time. My favorite movie is... It's about... Now let's listen again to a new short conversation. This time, try to understand more words and ideas.
Ready? Let's go.
Charlie, what kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. They're exciting and full of energy. I also like movies with good stories.
Nice. I like animated movies. They're colorful and creative. And I love comedies. They make me laugh.
Me too. I don't like scary movies, though. They make me nervous.
Same. But sometimes I watch romantic movies. They make me feel calm and cozy.
Oh, that's nice. Movies can make us feel so many different things.
Yes! So listeners, what kind of movies do you like? Do you like funny movies, action movies, scary movies?
You can say, I like funny movies. I like romantic movies. I like action movies.
Say it with us. I like...
Okay, time for a quick quiz. Let's see what you remember.
Question 1. What does favorite mean? A. Something you don't like. B. Something you like the most.
The answer is B, something you like the most.
Great job. Question 2. If you say, it's about friendship, what are you doing?
You're explaining what the movie is about.
Yes. And last question, if you say, it makes me feel happy, what are you talking about?
You're talking about your feelings.
Excellent work, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Yes, give yourself a big round of applause.
So today, we learned how to talk about our favorite movies.
Yes, we practice these important phrases. My favorite movie is, it's about, I like it because, it makes me feel.
You can use these in real life. Talk with your friends, your classmates, or even online.
Try this. Ask someone, what's your favorite movie? Then listen to their answer and say, oh, I like that too.
That's a fun way to make small talk in English.
All right, now it's time for our community question.
Today's question is, what's your favorite movie and why do you like it?
Write your answer in the comments. We'll read some of them in our next episode.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss new lessons every week.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We're proud of you for practicing English with us.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and
Just keep swimming.
bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.